how to get a refund from Headspace after a wrong charge. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply log into your headspace.com, and then of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Like I said, you can even use the application version of it. Then you can simply get to your account, simply tap on that menu bar, and then in here you'll be able to get your account settings. Tap on that one, and then you can now actually check whether you have been wrongly charged there or not. Then after doing that, you can actually get to their help support. Again, tap on that menu bar right here. Then from there you can actually get into help option right here, and after tapping on help, you will be able to describe your issue. You can do that, or you can submit a request on the top right corner right here. Then from there you can provide your account details to request a refund. So simply express all of the problem that you're facing. You can add in all of the information, and also in the attachment you can attach all of the necessary evidence, and then you can request for a refund. I'm pretty sure that you'll be approved. If you are eligible, you can actually get that refund done within 5 to 10 business days.